Hey guys, so lately I've gotten a lot of requests to do a full one-to-one comparison between Market Cipher B and Wolfpack Pro. So stay tuned all the way to the end. We're going to go through both indicators to show the advantages and disadvantages that they have. I'm going to try to give you the most objective analysis possible. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And be sure to like this video so it boosts in the algorithm. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into this. So I have the Wolfpack signals here. And first off, a quick testimony about Wolfpack Pro. This is a real testimony that says, I'm not bullshitting when I say that you're my favorite developer. I've paid $7,000 total worth in indicators, and I've gotten the most value out of yours by far. The others are cool, don't get me wrong, but you're always improving, updating, and you're really active in your groups. The other ones you can't get a hold of, and customer support is garbage. If you keep what you're doing up, it's only a matter of time before you blow up. Your product and track record of consistent improvement, customer support is top notch. Your innovation, you listen to customers, you're constantly working to improve your trading experience of your group. So guys, feel free to come through to the Discord, come check out the community. I'm growing it. It's really a group of good people. So come through and see what it's all about. And here we have the Wolfpack Pro waves. So we have a lot more signals right off the bat compared to Market Cipher B, and I'll show you what I mean really quick. So we just had a massive dump. What we got on Market Cipher for this huge dump was a red dot. That's all we got. And if we compare to Wolfpack Pro, we got a strong orange diamond, which was a warning signal, followed by strong sell signal. That was the last one. But there are two more critical signals that I don't want to be overlooked here. So we'll just expand this just for a moment. We got this little red square here. And what this square represents, I'll show you really quick. We have this automatic drawing trend line that comes up, and we broke it right there. So if I zoom in, you can really see that this was our momentum support coming all the way up from the bottom, and when we broke it here, you can see that we crashed. We also have the strong bearish flag here, and right at the very bottom we get the bull flag and a golden cross. So and we have this downwards trend line coming down that automatically drew on our chart. So we have all of this confirmation on this bar signaling that we've broken out of resistance. And just to illustrate this point a little bit further, I'm going to show you what my bot is able to do using the Wolfpack Pro signals. It's using combinations of them. I'm not allowed to give the exact secrets, but here is some of the results recently. We caught the very top of the dump with the bot, and I'm paper trading this right now, and I'm going to be releasing it in the future. So stick around if you want to gain access to this when I fully release it to the public. We caught the very bottom here and the top. So this sideways action, you can see we kind of got kicked around a little bit, but as soon as the market shifted, we really tipped into profit, and this was about 15 to 20% profit in one day. This is the power of this indicator. When everything is pointed down, when we get this strong sell signal, the bearish flags, the trend line breaks, when the Bollinger Bands really turns red, we know that we are in for a huge dump. And I've been catching pumps every single Elon tweet. Elon only tweets when the market conditions are favorable, and if we go back to these pumps, I can show back in February exactly what occurred there. February is around the first or second week of February. Let's go back and find this, and we'll compare how Market Cipher and Wolfpack Pro fare in these conditions. So here was a extremely big Elon pump. We can see right here golden cross on Wolfpack Pro right before the pump. We just get a green dot on Market Cipher. You really have. I got an alert on this golden cross. I sized in and I rode it all the way up. On Market Cipher, it's not so easy. You really have to get a feel for what you're doing. And I'm not necessarily trying to bash Market Cipher, but you have to practice it. You have to understand that this is a trigger wave and this is about to skyrocket in price. And yes, it works. I know many people who use Market Cipher on a semi-professional level, and they're doing fairly well for themselves. With that said, it's been a while since it's been updated. One of my criticisms is that the MFI wave is not always useful. I mean, we're in the green here, so we know we're in a bull run. But again, if we compare it to Wolfpack, these trend line breaks, we broke bullish here. Then this wave really started coming up. And then this is when I remember seeing the tweet. I woke up to it actually right in the early morning that Tesla bought Bitcoin. And they announced it right at the perfect moment for the market to explode. So I don't think that that's an accident, but I don't want to get into any conspiracy theories. I do think that there's definitely something that goes into market FUD or market pumps with the news. The thing that I have recently updated about Wolfpack is I've added my own advanced MFI wave that is, for me, more useful. You can make your own assessments of it. What it is here, you can see that we're in the red here, and then we start coming up into the green. So it functions very similar to how the Market Cipher one works, but it's completely coded in a different way. This is all my own creation. You won't find this anywhere else, and you can see it only really comes down once we're at the peak here. So that's really good for pump awareness. It also does it again here, so we go up again. This again, you can see like these golden crosses here before this little pump that we get. Market Cipher, just a green dot. That's my honest assessment of some of these, and we could go through and do a little bit more. There's the red X's before dumps. We really have strong warnings coming in here at the tops of these peaks. All these red X's. Of course, we have the one last FOMO. I call this a FOMO peak, and we have the caution signal here at the very peak. I mean, all we have is a red dot or a green dot on Market Cipher. Sometimes you get stronger buy signals, but these often don't really print towards the very bottom. Really, look, we got a golden cross here on Wolfpack, right at the bottom, at the exact bottom, and then we start getting some trend lines. We start understanding the state of the market. Once we cross down, we see a red X. We start seeing these trend line breaks come in right there, and then we see another pullback. And it's really that easy to use. Honestly, I hope that my channel blows up. This is all my original work. I use this indicator every single day. I'm coding it into my own bot. I really believe in the power of it. Feel free to come by the Discord, take a look. The website is in the description as well, wolfpackprofessional.com. And if you guys have any questions, again, feel free to leave them down below. I'll try to get back to you. I try to offer the best support group available in crypto, and I really believe in the power of this indicator. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to do more videos like this. Leave some recommendations if you want specific types of videos in the description down below. As always, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.